spaces in between. Number 54. So on and on we must go, he mumbled, too busy wondering what time it was to truly understand even his own sentiments. I'm sorry, I am in a rush. I have a lecture to give that I will be late for, he said, as confusion settled on his face. His hands searched his pockets for his keys as his legs moved in and through the doorways of the mathematics department toward the elevator. Now where did I put my keys? He uttered to himself. Life is truly about keys, doors and elevators that take you to new levels, he thought. Doors are symbolic of portals, achieved goals, and breakthroughs. Keys are those unique energies that aid one in moving through these portals of experience, and elevators will provide the arrival into new dimensions and realms. Distracting himself from finding his keys with this new understanding of energy, now searching for his little writing pad and pencil that he kept in one of his pockets for times like this, forgetting that he was standing in an empty elevator going nowhere. Too overtaken by this profound feeling to care. For each door he desired to open, each breakthrough he labored toward, each goal he wanted to achieve, now he understood. There were keys. The goal was to get to an elevator in life. But now came the nagging question. Is there a set of master keys? Keys that would open the world as he knew it, even before the thought left his mind. He was certain that there was. Was it possible that someone could be so energetically elevated that they themselves could be the key? Yes, with certainty. For the key of twofold is. One part is found in the evolution of the keymaster, for all one desires are found in the hidden nature of talents. Therefore, extensions of one's gifts in true heartfelt appreciation is the catalyst. As one labors in the refinement or preparation of talents and abilities, offering these gifts to another in appreciation, without inhibition or pause, momentum is set. One must begin to open doors in service of another, no matter how small, through an expression of talent. In time, they will meet energetic catalysts that will bring forth revelation, insight, and opportunity. Second, one must understand the power of sacred geometry in a mathematical universe. When one sits in the presence of ageless mathematical perfection and makes their presence there part of a daily routine, transformation is certain. In meditation of it, they will allow for this archetypal energy to reprogram the subconscious, to align energies, and to ignite one toward uninspired and